All right, Karen, let's take one.
It's really low carb and keto friendly and super easy to make.
It was good. That was really good. So, just one little tiny little point. If you could just pause a little bit between the first concept and the last concept, just give a little pause there.
Pause.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Let's take it again.
Okay.
Take two, guys.
It's really low carb and keto friendly and super easy to make.
That was better. That was better.
Okay.
Okay, good. Hey guys.
Okay, hi.
So what is this, Karen?
I made chocolate mousse today and for Christmas. And it's, well, you tell me what you think.
So I do like the whipped cream.
Yeah.
And you just get this at the regular grocery store, right?
No.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. You know, the recipe results in this chocolate mousse. It's chocolate mousse. It's the best. It's super easy, of course, because apparently all my recipes are super easy. And
it's keto friendly.
yes. And you don't need a lot of it. You just need a little serving. I put them in here just to be lovely. And then I whipped up some whipped cream as an alternative. And then I did drizzle some sugar-free chocolate from chocolate chips, just so you can have a variety and play with it.
I love it.
Is it good?
I love it, yeah. This is
Which
a great
one are you eating?
That one
I won't eat the whole thing.
is really good. So, yeah. Isn't that good?
Wow. I think there's like, what, 4 ingredients, 5 ingredients?
Is it? It's easy.
It's super easy. Yeah. Oh, what do we have to say? Charlie, come here. Come here. Because you guys haven't seen him in a while, and it's the holiday time, Charlie wanted to say hi. Right, Charlie? Because he's getting so big. Oh my gosh, Charlie.
Gosh, that
Say
dog
hi. Say hi. Hi. Oh,
He's about 60
big.
pounds already.
He's no. You have fans. So here's Charlie saying Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah and Kwanzaa and everything else, and happy. You might be watching this in like September of next year. It's not the holiday at all, but.
Right.
Okay. I think it's time to put it down.
Okay. Well, let's show them how to make it.
Oh.
That was the point.
There's a recipe.
Okay.
Okay, Charlie. Okay. Okay. All right.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.